I'm with the gang, bitch. I can't never beef about a bop, man, fuck that lame, bitch. Pull up in my truck, I'm swinging, bitch, you know I lane switch. My niggas got the glizzy, yeah, we all up on the same shit. Just stay up in your lane, jit. This shit here can get dangerous. Hey, man, this shit here can get dangerous. So another hot one that backyard built. But got this Ford getting ready. I got left side disassembled in about 30 minutes. And then I got this Freedom upper control arm already installed. It's gonna make shit easier because if you can see right there, you can't really get anything but a ratchet and wrench in. And if you don't have one, then it's better to just go ahead and tighten that side up before you put everything in, and just get the upper where you need it to be, so that way you don't have to torque it too much whenever you tighten it back up. But yeah, man, I'm just rolling through this shit and making sure that everything is going on smooth. So he's gonna be doing a leveling strut instead of running the stock struts. So we're gonna kind of do some measurements. I'm gonna see which works the best, because he also has a leveling kit to throw on top of that. So just want to make sure everything fits, because the thing about these Fords is you can't really stack too much because it's gonna hit the frame or it'll bow the spring out. We're gonna go ahead and keep pushing and just see where we can get. But I should be able to throw everything back in today. To be honest, I'm feeling alright. It's hot, but shit, it ain't bad. And we're gonna try to see if we can get it done. I want to try to at least get this shit done today and have everything in the front today. If I have to do any little measurements or any type of tweaks or anything like that, then I can do that later. This truck is gonna be really transformed. He got some 6s and 7s, full facelift coming. So about to go ahead and knock this out, and then I'll hit y'all back whenever I stop. All right, so got the whole front end put together, and pretty easy. Everything looks pretty good. Everything's tightened up, ready to go. Just got to get the stocks put on, because the adapters that he got for his reps, they have a different thread pitch than the stock lugs. So we're gonna have to try to get some acorn lug nuts or something tomorrow and try to find it. But I'm gonna try to take it to get aligned on the stocks tomorrow, if it clears everything. But everything looking good. Like I said, don't really gotta do anything major with the back, but like I said, I'm gonna just go ahead and put this stock on and get to work. Then I got to do brakes and the rear shocks, and that'll be basically it for this truck. Those will be easy. I can do those in no time, just like the adapters too. Those will be done in no time. But yeah, man, this shit is turning out to look good, and about to put it up in the air, see how tall it is on the stocks, and then we'll probably get some lug nuts tomorrow and see how it goes. So I'm putting the wheel on. You can see that gap, but I'll show y'all a little something with these Fords. You might have some problems with some Chevys too, but this is, I've seen this a lot in Fords. You see, please drain your door. Look at that shit. That motherfucker could have rusted from the inside out. Glad I heard it. I was swinging the door back and forth, and then I heard that there was fucking water in there. I was like, damn, that's some crazy shit. Look at how much water in this bitch, bro. God dang it. Trying to get it all out. Look at this shit. It's like gallons of fucking water in here. This shit ridiculous. Well, yeah, just a little tip if you got a Ford. All right, so there's what it looked like in the sunlight. You can see there's a big difference from where it was before. It was nosediving like fuck before. The rear of these sit really high. I don't know why. There's no blocks in there, but I'm finna go take it to get alignment at the famous Bladen Off-Road, and try to go ahead and get this thing aligned, so that way when I get back I can throw the rear shocks and the wheels on, and then it'll be ready to go. But it's really crazy. I damn got this done in a couple hours yesterday, so I'll be out here grinding, dog. So let's take this bitch to get alignment, and then we'll be riding. So try to get him right, man. This bitch gonna look good on them damn 6s. Alright, so about to get Big Red out the way so that way I can move it. And yeah, she done. This is what she looks like, finished. Alignment, everything, 26s, 37s. She looking clean. Once again, another one of my favorite builds. It's always good to see a damn stock truck go to a tube box. This is a rough country 6-inch for these year models, and he got the leveling strut because this is a 2-wheel drive, so you can't get like the 6-inch lift struts and shit. So he got freedom upper control arms, the rough country leveling strut, and then I put the spacer on top, and then in the rear all I did was put the rough country Vertex shocks in there. I don't know if you can see them. You can see the cylinder right there. But yeah, man, this bitch looking good. I ain't gonna cap. I like the V-Maxes on here. V-Maxes just make something stand out. V-Maxes and LTZ, it's just crazy. But yeah, man, this bitch looking good. And as I always say, backyard build, we get it done, man. We just working every day. Got Fords, Chevys, Dodges, whole bunch of shit. So if you're trying to get some shit done before Myrtle, you better hit me up now, because my availability, shit, I ain't even got no slots left for the rest of this month, and I'm already filling up slots for next month. So like I said, bro, if you want to pop out, Myrtle is coming quick. The show is on the 24th. Me and the whole crew, we're gonna be there from the 23rd until the 25th. So, you know, if you want to come check us out, come check us out. Big Red gonna be there, and there might be some little psh in the back of this bitch whenever y'all see it at Myrtle. So might, you know what I'm saying, I might just do it. But yeah, bro, about to move this shit around and get ready, and yeah, just let him know that it's all good to go and shit right. But looking at that bitch now, I fuck with it, man. Just can't go wrong with a new body for it. Putting a little rough country on it and some 6s, that shit hard as fuck. I ain't even gonna cap. You know, with a Chevy, you don't really get too high with rough countries and shit like that, so you gotta stack. But I mean, with that truck there, looks pretty good, so I'm fucking with it. But like I always say, like, share, subscribe, check me out on my music and shit like that. Music good as hell. I'm dropping a mixtape July 1st, the chosen one, so be on the lookout for that. Definitely out here working, and you know, like I said, it's finna get crazy, it's finna get scary. I got 2 trucks when I come back from Miami, so y'all definitely gonna have some videos on that. I'm gonna try to push this out before I go on vacation and get this video out there. So like I said, appreciate y'all, and you know, like I said, we out here, backyard built, bitch, getting it done. Your love, I'm doing drugs, 'cause I don't want your love, want your love, I don't want your love, I don't want your love no more, and I don't want your love no more, yeah. And I don't want your love no more. I've been broken, sipping on my pain away, my cell I crack it open. This shit getting real, start getting money, now I'm focused. They woke up a demon this time, yeah, I hope you notice. Yeah, and I'm smoking, dead house got me choking. Hate me and she love a nigga when I get the stroking. That pussy like a present, that can't wait to bust it open. I got split personalities, romantic, yeah, I'm hopeless. Yeah, cut off this nagging bitch complaining, I ain't never give a time. You try to run off with that side with me, hell no, go give me mine. These niggas acting like they Stevie when they see me, niggas blind. Bitch, I'm back up on my shit up in this bitch, I'm demon turned to a superstar. I rock designer and I'm driving all these fancy cars. I'm stacking bread until I go cop me a Audemars. Bitch, I live it up cause I don't know if I'ma see tomorrow. If I'ma see tomorrow, Smoking on that kush, you nigga smoking Reggie Bush. And you need to get your eyes checked, nigga, come and take a look. And you flexing all that jewelry like you won't get your shit took. And my love is like a dough, coming baby, you just and push. I don't want your love no more, I've been broken. Sipping on my pain away, my seal, I crack it open. This shit getting real, start getting money, now I'm focused. They woke up a demon this time, babe, I hope you notice, yeah. And I'm smoking, dead ops got me choking. Hate me and she love a nigga when I get the stroking. That pussy like a present, that can't wait to bust it open. I got split personalities, romantic, yeah, I'm hopeless, yeah. And where I'm from is gunshots and gunfire. She told me I'm the truth, baby, just don't lie. And I'm feeling like I'm Jordan when I got my 4-5. I put her in a figure 4, I made that bitch come 4 times. And I'm smoking on that pay, got me higher, I can't see nobody. And I'ma fucking grind until I'm driving in that new Ferrari. Fuck you to my exes, you the reason I don't trust nobody. A nigga won't run up and then you know Rico gon' catch that Hyman. And I don't want your love no more, I've been broken. Sipping on my pain away, my seal, I crack it open. This shit getting real, start getting money, now I'm focused. They woke up a demon this time, babe, I hope you notice, yeah. And I'm smoking, dead ops got me choking. Hate me and she love a nigga when I get the stroking. That pussy like a present, that can't wait to bust it open. I got split personalities, romantic, yeah, I'm hopeless, yeah.